Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update market, price to products with the matching column. You need to access to Shopify admin settings and navigate to markets. You will see the active markets you created. Select a market and then click on the products and pricing. Click on the price adjustment to modify the price. On the matching column of the feed, find or select markets, price from the store product fields. Before selecting the markets, price, please ensure to map the markets, compare at price. Click on the markets, price smart settings and select add market currency to map the field based on feed file. You can add multiple currency to update at one time. For the market, price smart settings, you can set the price condition to markup or markdown product's price. For example, to mark up the price by 50%, set rules as any price multiplied by 1.5. It will multiply all the prices by 1.5. The price condition supports complex conditions for more use cases. Next is the markets, price delimiter that can be set according to preference. Choose from comma or decimal or leave it as auto. Next is the markets, price round which is used to standardize the product's price if the round number is used too often or the prices do not have a clear focus digit. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.